Alright guys, so part 2 for section 10-4, which is can I find the area of polygons. Today, the second video is going to be just focusing on trapezoids. So for example 3, that's what this is, that's what this shape is, it's a trapezoid. Alright, so if you guys recall from this Boggs video, the area formula for a trapezoid is going to be the height times base 1 plus base 2, all divided by 2. Alright, so if you take a look at this first diagram, let's identify all the pieces that we need here. Alright, so I'm going to do some color coding here so that we have an idea of where we got all the numbers, so that we are not confused about that. So for the heights, let's just start with that. Again, the height is the distance between the two parallel sides of the trapezoid, which in this case is this side up here and then this side down there. So the two sides have to be parallel, and that distance between them is the height. So in this case, is this orange line that I drew on there, and that's a total distance of, what is that, 5. So that is going to be our height. Alright, so our height is going to be 5. Alright, so for base 2 and base 1, you take a look at the picture. Again, bases are the two sides that are parallel to each other. So it's going to be this top piece right here. We can call that base 1, and that has a distance of 4 units. And then base 2 is going to be this bottom side, and that has a total distance, if you count it out, of 8 units. So when we go back in here, we can replace these. That's 8, and the other one was 4. And it's just a matter of solving for the rest. So area is equal to 4 plus 8, which is going to be 12. 12 times 5 is 60, divided by 2, that is going to be 30. So the area of this trapezoid here is 30 units squared. Alright, so let's move on to the next one. Again, for example 4, sticking with trapezoids, so that's what this shape is, and the area formula is the height times base 1 plus base 2 divided by 2. So again, similar to the previous problem, we have to identify all the pieces. Alright, so again, we got a couple numbers in here that are not going to help us with this, but but they're there to kind of throw you off. So start off with the height. Again, the height in this case is 8. It is perpendicular to the two parallel sides. So that is our height. Alright, so we can replace that with 8. And then base 1, base 2, in this case, is going to be the 20, can be our base 1. Doesn't really matter. Base 2 can be 48. Most important part that does matter is that the bases are parallel to each other. Alright, so for our formula, we gotta replace that with a 20. And the 48. A 45. So then all it is just reducing and simplifying here. Again, you just got to make sure you do things appropriately. Order operation does matter. You first have to add what's inside the set of parentheses, which ends up being 65. So then 65 times 8 ends up being 520. Divided by 2 is a total of 260 units squared. Again, if there's no units given to you, so there's just numbers at the end, it's just units squared. Alright, so that is the video for today for trapezoids, area of trapezoids, and how to find the area of it using the formula.